Hey guys, today we're back for another video, and today we are unboxing 3 Piratix Mega Packs. The one for Captain Tina Thunder / Turner, Captain King Roar, and Captain Bones. So this is my first Piratix video on the channel, hopefully one of many. Also, I do want to mention, and sorry about the low video quality. I'm recording this a bit later at night. So there's not really much natural light, so it doesn't look quite as good as it normally does. Not that it looks pretty good normally anyway. But anyways, yes, found these in the Tesco in Uttoxeter. However, I also did buy 2 1-packs, and I got Piggy Pow. Bow! I suppose. He's actually kind of the main character along with Captain Hattrick, so I'm very happy about that. And also Captain Deepwater. Who I thought it was Captain Ollie, maybe, but then it turned out to be Captain Deepwater, which is very nice. A nice octopus. Right, anyways, let's get into it. No more messing about. Right, now, I haven't got scissors, which may be a very bad decision. Probably is, but we'll find out. Anyways, here we go with the Captain. Shall I start Captain Bones? Because I do actually. I haven't brought him out, but I do actually have Captain Bones from a Captain pack. However, I did not make a video on that. Come on, hold on. Open sesame. Right. So anyway, contents. A logbook. Exclusive treasure, throne. Oh gosh, how do I do this? Random Piratix, guaranteed captain. So these are essentially replacements for the gold pack in Spain, which is essentially the same idea as a Super Zings blister pack, if you've seen one of those. Same type of packaging shape, same pretty similar idea, but that's not being released here, I don't think. But these were never released in Spain, so they're essentially replacements. Anyways, no more messing about. Let's get into this. Right, oh my life. Ooh. Right. That looks... Oh, wait, no. What about the logbook? I get my logbook. I do get my logbook. Oh, yeah, look at that. That's actually pretty cool. Logbook. Oh, so it's a nice checklist. Oh, it's got nice taglines for the cruise and everything. This is really nice. That's good. Right, let's, what we'll start with? Let's go for this bag. I thought they'd be like 1-packs just for that checklist, like Super Zing Mega Packs, but no. Anyways, let's get on with this. We've got a Piratix bag. Let's see who we have in here. Oh, we've got Movie Rick. Do I have him in this colour? I don't know. No, actually, I think I have him in yellow. Hold on. Nah, I think I've got them in yellow, that's good. Oh, they do have checklists, that's surprising. Checklist. The proper checklist, not the playset checklist, or like the Piratix Legends checklist, I think it is. Right, what have we got on here? I'd best speed this up, actually. Oh, this is Captain Bones. So yeah, I do already have him from a captain pack. He's actually the only captain I have. But I figured I'll get the throne or whatever. And the random Piratix. Or as Magic Box used to say. They used to say Piratix, but I'm like, no, they're pirates. I was just thinking in my head, no, they're pirates, mate. They're not Piratix. Then they started Piratix, which is a bit better, which is a lot better. Anyways, enough rambling. Next one. Bobby Hatchet. Once again, do I have him in this colour? I think I might, actually. I wonder, does this have, like, the contents of the Captain Bones Captain Pack? Mine was actually an error, though, because it was Captain Deepwater's packaging, but it had the contents of the Captain Bones one. Anyways, if this ends up being someone else in the Captain Pack, I think my theory is correct. Hold on. Oh, no, it's Stevie Riff. He wasn't in there, so that's just coincidence. Stevie Riff with his big guitar, which has a sword on top, because of course guitars do that now, don't they? Have you not heard? No, I'm joking. So yes, in case you found these, I don't think I've said this already. Found this in the Tesco in Uttoxeter. Oh dear, come on. Oh, they're blue. Oh, it's Go, Ted. What are you actually called? What's your actual name? No, can't think of it. 4. Right, this appears to be like the throne and all that. Bye-bye. Let's see, what have we got in here? Who have we got in here? Oh, we've got Snorkel Jack, that's it. So there's his weapon. Ching, 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 ching. You'd think that might also be detachable, but no, that is fixed on there. Oh, good flippers. That's good. Right, now this should be the front, so I should probably get Captain Bones back. Oh. Right, so I should probably open it so you can see the Piratix logo. Right, so oh my lord. So here we go. Got the throne for Captain Bones. There we go. We've got the flag for Captain Bones. These were included in the canon. This is a rip. These were included in the canon. They're not exclusive, but the throne is. Well, hey, right. I really need to get a move on because well, I've got probably about 4 more minutes of storage space left before the computer goes doo-doo and it cuts off randomly. If that does happen, sorry. Right. Speedy. Let's get through this. Right, bye-bye. Right, let's get thrown out. So this is the Captain Kingraw one. Throne. Flag. Fine. Treasure. That's for Captain Kingraw. Right, let's see who we've got here. We have... Oh, we've got Cheese Cheetah. Nice. Who have we got here? Snorkel Jack again, but is he in a different colour? He's in a different colour. Because the one we got before, hang on, just sift through this. Where's he gone? Come on, Jack. No, gone. I'll find him eventually. Yeah, different colour. Good. Got the logbook again, same thing. Right, let's see who we got here. Oh, Captain Kingraw. He's actually Piratix #1, which is nice. So he can go on his nice throne if he decides to go on. There we go. Whee! Right. Oh wait. Well, that's a check. Quite actually got left to open. Here we are. Right. Stevie Riffin Green. Seems to be certain ones that are popping up more than others. Right. Oh, who's this? Oh, what's your name? Wavy Jones. That's it. Right, I think that's it for that one. Yeah, it seems like it. Is that other that's other Snorkel Jack. So there we are. I can find him now. Anyways, right, the finale pack of Tina Thunder, although actually her file name is Tina Turner. I noticed when I was editing the Piratix wiki, or I think it's technically Piratix Adventure World wiki. Oh, come on. Anytime today. Ugh. They didn't have a display stand, interestingly. They just had a box of 25 or 24, I think. 1 pack. So there's a logbook. Again. Right. And then I think it was 1 Captain Bones pack, 2 Kingraw packs, and 2 Tina Turner Thunder packs. Right, let's see, who've we got here? Oh, we're starting off with Tina Thunder. Very nice. Quick! Before the storage space runs out. Ooh! Giraffe Head, what are you actually called? Don't really remember. Is it something along it? No, that's from a different series, isn't it? Right. Who have we got here? Ooh, I don't remember your name once again. I'm really bad at the names for you. Right, this is the front. Let's get this out. Oh, Christ. A bunch of different bits and pieces. Put you on there. The thrones are all the same, but the treasures change. Hold on. Wait, wrong side. Where'd you put the flag? That's where you put the flag. Hooray! Right. Final 3. Oh my, who is that? Oh, this is someone from the Champs crew. I know. Nice. Which is Captain Hattrick's crew. Who have we got here? Don't really know. Let's open it. Oh my love, what 10 minutes? Oh, we got Andy Savage. I do already have an Andy, but I'll take another. Because he is one of the main characters. Right. The finale! Is it? Oh no, I forgot to open this one from a different pack, I think. Right, let's go with this then. Oh, oh, we've got you again. Here we go. Whatever your name is. I'm sorry, I don't really know the names for these. Some of my first Piratix though. Stevie Riff! Again! Hooray! Well, thank you for watching. And guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry about the poor quality of the camera. Bye guys!